We have d4, 96, sir. 96. The maneuver refresh. So he plays e4, typical ideas now. He'd even take, I guess, takes here. There's at least 4 choices here. So I play here. So the idea, usually I do knight c7 first, but knight c7. It may be a move order differences here, but knight c7, c7 here, so c4, we could play e5. The point is he takes, knight takes, and we play here bishop g7. The under promotion. So it plays here, bishop g7, knight e7 here, and then some, typically f5. This is what I try to go for in this opening, my invented opening, the maneuver refresh. So he could castle, bishop e3. They probably, I think, what I've seen that people would do is like somehow b4. So they played like some kind of, King's Indian ideas, right? So I play here anyway. I don't think this move really helps unless he's going for g4. Maybe h3 is just stopping here, but yeah, he's going for g4. We could probably play here. Maybe he wants to castle long, and we'll see where he's going with this. So b6. Let's play here. We are both are lining up for potential. I mean, I'm just going a6, b5. Maybe I could just play like h6, maybe. The idea of g5. So if you play, you might still do this actually, which is funny. I mean, he probably have to do this because if g5, I'm, going here. I played a similar game like this before. This typical structure with which the bishop on g7 was legendary, like almost like a pawn. And somehow, obviously white was better, but he could play h5. H5 is a good move because now not just the bishop is a pawn, the knight is also like a pawn. But I played a similar game like this, and somehow the game was somehow, like it's a draw, but he was slightly better. But and somehow I think I drew the game, and somehow in the end of the game. We could play here. I think this is like a draw kind of thing. So it's a draw. I mean, there's no break per se. I'm gonna offer him a draw to see if he's really able to take it. I mean, I don't see much here, but it's a good setup to see. Yeah, so that's a very fun game. We drew early on. We're gonna take a look at it to see if it's like if he does have a break, meaning pawn break. You opening up lines, right? That's what I mean by that. 86, 87, so maybe there's mistakes here, kind of, so a6 here. This is typical ideas that I play. And then I played here, so this is kind of interesting, h3, I think. Yeah, maybe bishop d7 castles, and so he played here, and I played here. He's slightly better, but I think after h6, h4, I think h4 was a computer line. So here, the reason he wanted to play h5, because let's say he plays queen c2 or something. I play knight g6. And the point is, if you play h5 now, my knight goes to f4. So obviously here, if black is getting his knight to a better square on f4, right? I mean, he could trade, right, if he wants, but the knight doesn't stay on e7. It's going to be on f4 in this line. So h5 is really needed. He doesn't want to like completely lock the position, but the point is he's stopping knight g6. So that's a good thing. And I couldn't play here because the pawn, here he would take, which is going to be a free pawn, right? So that's the reason why I played f6 to try to defend the pawn. Now, the computer actually believe here that you do have a break by e5, but it's still not 100% convinced that white is winning or anything. So it doesn't like this move because I have this, and obviously here, I mean, computer is saying zero point 0.7, but I don't know. Where's the break here? I mean, I don't know if there's a break here. So here I actually, I missed this move. I missed bishop takes g4. But even after this move, yeah, maybe knight f5. And I think he could still be able to draw the game, like after here. And I think rook takes g4. Black is better, but, is it really enough for a win? But I missed this. I was kind of like going for the draw anyway, and I think he could have went for, I think the better idea is like knight c3. I don't think this knight move, I mean, he could play anything, knight d2 or something, but then I was going here, bishop b1. It's equal here, and I couldn't figure a way that he could break that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you by the next one.